Here in the University of Chester, we've got quite a wide range of courses. So we have, at the undergraduate level, we've got computer science, software engineering, cyber security, data science, games development and games design. So on this course, it's really easy for students to access academics. Academics don't just deliver the lectures, they run the labs, and students can book office hours with staff on a regular basis.
We actually really pride ourselves on using industry standard resources. Students have access to software that they would use in industry. It gives that student obviously the skills to be able to use it, so it's not a big shock when they actually come into working life, but also it's it's expected of them. We have a great suite of our own software tools and resources for them to use, such as GitHub and online tools that will really help them and will be expected of them to use in any of their careers. It is important because it gives them a whole well-rounded aspect for their career, not just honing in one skill. They've got lots of different programming languages that they can call on. There's lots of different experience for them, and it obviously makes them a little bit more indispensable. It gives them the opportunity to have a lot more diversity in their career. Employers do like a wide range of skills. They love the fact that students could turn their hand to anything. It just gives those students that extra edge in an employability perspective.